Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to record your own custom voice for Waze navigation. This is a fun way to personalize your driving experience by replacing the default navigation voice with your own recording. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to look at the top left corner of your Waze screen. You'll see three horizontal lines there, often called the menu icon. Go ahead and tap on those lines to open up your main menu options. This is where you can access all the core settings and features within Waze. Once that menu opens up, you'll see a list of different options available. Look for the one labeled Settings and tap on it. This section is where you can customize various aspects of how Waze works, including navigation preferences, display options, and importantly for this tutorial, voice settings. Inside the settings menu, you'll need to scroll through the available options until you find voice and sound. Tap on that option to proceed. This is the specific area where Waze lets you control everything related to audio output, including navigation voice, alerts, and sound effects during your drive. Within the voice and sound section, you'll see an option called Current Voice. This shows you which voice is currently active for your navigation. Tap on Current Voice to see all the available voice options and to access the recording feature. Now here's where the fun begins. Look for an option that says New Voice and tap on it. This is the feature that allows you to create your own personalized voice recordings for turn-by-turn directions. At this point, a safety warning will appear on your screen. This warning reminds you that recording should only be done when you're parked safely and not while driving. It's an important safety measure to ensure you're not distracted on the road. Go ahead and tap OK to acknowledge this warning and continue with the recording process. After dismissing the safety warning, you'll see a list of different navigation phrases that Waze uses during navigation. These might include phrases like turn right, turn left, arrive at destination, and many others. Tap on any phrase you want to record. You'll need to record each phrase individually to build your complete custom voice pack. Once you've selected a phrase, you'll see a microphone icon appear on your screen. This is your recording button. Tap the microphone icon to start recording your voice. Make sure you're in a quiet environment so your recording comes out clear and easy to understand during actual navigation. As you're recording, you'll want to speak the phrase clearly and naturally. Once you finish saying the phrase, tap the pause button to stop the recording. This gives you control over the exact timing and quality of each recording you make. After you've recorded the phrase and you're happy with how it sounds, tap the save button to store your recording. This saves that specific phrase to your custom voice profile. You can then repeat this process for all the other navigation phrases to complete your personalized voice pack. And that's it. You've now successfully recorded your own voice for Waze navigation, giving your driving experience a personal touch that makes following directions more fun and engaging. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.